Assalamu alaikum. Today's very special recipe is Shami Kabab, which is flavorful spicy patties, a very popular recipe in Hyderabadi cuisine. So let's see, Bismillah, what are the recipe ingredients? Number one, you'll need 1 medium onion sliced and some greens like coriander, mint leaves, and 3 to 4 green chilies. Chop them up and keep aside. 1 small ripe tomato chopped, and then take some red chilies, 2 or 3 of them, and take about 1 tablespoon of chana dal lentil, also known as chickpeas lentil. Soak the dal in water for 2 to 3 hours. And the highlight, 1 kilo or 2 pounds of boneless mutton. You're going to marinate the mutton using the spices, including half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of freshly ground garam masala, and also 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Make sure you're freshly grinding it. Marinate it with the meat, all the spices, 1 to 2 hours, and then drain all the water from the chana dal. Now it's time to cook the marinated meat. You can do it in pressure cooker for faster cooking. Add tomatoes, onions, red chilies. Add the greens, which is coriander, mint, and green chilies. Add half a cup of water, about half a cup of water. Mix it up. Lastly, add the soaked dal. Mix it up nicely. Now it's time to put the lid on and pressure cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the meat is nice and tender. Uncover, and then you have to cook again on medium-high heat until all the meat is dry. It's still watery, so you need to cook all that water and make sure it's all dry. It comes together like a sticky paste. Then grind the mixture. It has to be coarse, not very smooth, but you should still see the fiber of the meat, and that's the right consistency. Now let it cool completely before you make the patties. For the stuffing, take 1 tablespoon of thick yogurt, that is curd, and some greens of choice like mint, coriander, green chilies. Mix it up, then add some onions too. And now it's time to make the stuffing. Nicely oil your palms before you start making the patties. Take a small ball and then start making patties. Stuff a little bit of the yogurt in the center and close it. Make even size patties, and now when you've finished making all of the patties, heat a non-stick pan on a medium-low heat. Without any oil, put the patties and let it roast for 2 to 3 minutes, and then slowly flip it. It can break, so be very gentle with it. Once you flip it, now you can add some oil on that, about 2 tablespoons of oil once you have flipped it, without any oil on one side. This way they won't break. If you add too much oil all at once, then they break. So this is the trick to make sure they don't break. So add oil now once you have flipped it, and let it cook another 3 to 4 minutes, and till you see nice brown color on both sides. They are ready to eat. You can serve these with either salad, green salad, or you can always serve it with rice and dal on the side as well. I like serving it with walnut and green salad. So this is low in carb and good source of protein. Hope you enjoy it. Do try it and give your feedback in the comments. Assalamu alaikum.